If your vehicle is equipped with a power liftgate, place the vehicle in park before operating the liftgate. Use one of the following methods to open or close the power liftgate. Press this button on the instrument panel. Using the intelligent key, press and hold the power liftgate button for approximately 1 second, or press this button on the liftgate. When the liftgate begins to open, a chime sounds to indicate the power open sequence has been started. During a power open or close, the power liftgate will stop moving if any of these buttons are pushed. When pushing any of these buttons a second time, a chime will sound and the liftgate will reverse direction. The liftgate can be set to open to a specific height by performing the following. Open the liftgate. Pull the liftgate down to the desired position. Press and hold this button located on the liftgate for more than approximately 3 seconds, or until 2 beeps are heard. After the beeps are heard, the liftgate will only open to the selected position setting. To reset to a different position, repeat this procedure. If the vehicle battery is discharged and the power liftgate cannot be opened, move this lever with a suitable tool to open the liftgate. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.